information, all information. Compression pressure, 4-cylinder, non-turbo, standard 170. Okay, minimum one. Oh, I got 2 above spec. The shit. Ooh, no, don't like that. You still running? Yeah, you're still running. Welcome to the party. Welcome to the latest development. 2 are good, 2 are not good, because they're high as balls. How do they get high as balls before the damn things ever even ran? Unless they seated very well. And they'll wear out a little bit, and then I'll go back to normal. Alright, don't like that. Okay, well, because it shouldn't be a timing thing, because if timing was out, I'd have really bad compression. Because valves would be open when they shouldn't be open, and closed when they shouldn't be closed. No, closed when they shouldn't be closed. Fuck. But then, how do I explain that? Fuck. Are valves closed when they should not be closed? That's a good question, because 2 pistons are saying 20 and 30 psi, yes. Shite. I can't check insult right unless I take that damn thing off. Hey, I don't even have a tool to do that. Money? Oh, yeah, no, I don't really do. Nope, too many. And that's V6. Don't want V6. Well, now what? That should be a timing thing. Let's spin the distributor around. Fuck it, spin the distributor around, see what happens. Oh, in the taco you go. Unnecessary. I want you. Yeah. Put you back in. Yes, it did just move. It is not set properly. Alright, you can go right there. Happy birthday. I want my 12. My upside down 12 mil. Spin here just out of the way. What am I doing? I wanted you for a reason. Particular and oh, didn't even sit there for all day. Let's put you right there for now, so I do not lose you. Good bolt. Yeah, that's how I want it. in you there. Oh. Oh. No, I'll do this way. Yes. Look at that. Oh. Okay, good. Okay. You get myself. There we go. That's better. Like that more. Yeah. Let's do this at number 1 compression TDC. That makes more sense. Much more sense. It's a lot of sense. Alright. Get you to number 1 TDC. Oh. It's out 180 degrees. Oh no, it's number 1 compression TDC because it'll be fucking backwards. Ah, shit. Ah. Might be half all my problems. Might be all my problems. Oh. Oh. Get on there. Ah. Oh. Ah. Something's falling off. I wonder if nobody does this. Sends a pain in the ass to go on your head. Where's my little dot? Oh, yeah, compress. There you are, little dot. Oh, too far. Continue to the top. Where are we? Overshot it by a lot. Alright. Now how would I know if that's actually number 1 TDC? That's backwards. Let's take that off. Let's take that off. What a messy turd. What a messy turd. So 12. Alright, so I'm already in here. So I guess we're checking timing too. You're there for safekeeping. Well, I could just leave that there. Just do there. Just do there. Okay, I'll put you here for safekeeping. There we go. Working properly. Yeah, it's nuts. Stuff in the battery like like that. Just pull you up. Do that beforehand. No. Oh, hasn't fallen over. Oh, you need to come off. No, no, you don't. You need to come off. Okay. Oh, yeah, that don't matter. I can stay on. Alright. Alright. Give me that. Oh, there we go. Okay. Alright, there's the okay, so where are you? Oh, you're loose? You're loose. You're loose. Technically, the way you go on, the way you're facing. Nope, you're not even lined up properly. Let's line you up properly. Damn it, turn you off. Oh. Oh, get out of the way. Off. You gotta move. You gotta move. Oh, do that in a minute. Get on it first, you fucker. No, wrong way. Alright, 0 TDC on compression stroke. And you are what did the book say? Book say something degrees. Doesn't look like something degrees to me. It might be a tooth out. Where did I see it? I know I saw it in here. Didn't fucking talk about, I had a diagram. No. There you are. There's pointing at the marking the sure it is the number one piston at TDC in the compression stroke. That is 45 or just under. 3.6. Look at the distributor rotor. It should be pointing directly at the mark you made on the distributor body. Well, fuck, bud, you should put a mark on the distributor body. If the rotor is pointing at the terminal for the number 4 spark plug, the number 1 piston is at. If the rotor is pointing at the number at the terminal Number 4 spark plug. The number 1 piston is a TDC on the exhaust stroke. That rotor, the bottom piece, pointing number 4. Well, give me the angle. Nowhere in here do you give me that fucking info, just a diagram. Oh. Bookmark. Work. Work. Staring into the eyes. Did fuck off. There we go, now you work. Fucking crazy eyes. That's a fun argument. Yeah. Thank you, Google. Suggest clip. Well, you guys are good as shit. Talked to you a couple times and you guys know exactly what you're doing. Insert distributor 0 TTC or 5 degree before touch this. Ooh. It's a good question. I don't know the answer. You don't either, but hopefully someone in there does. That was a question, but sometimes needs to be asked. Coming like a power today. Okay, let's see what you have to say. He did say 5 degrees before injecting needs to be installed. He might not have done that. You fool. Oh shit, what'd I do? Let's watch this from the beginning. With no glare. Still tips provided by our install shop at 22hourspecialist.com. Oh, nice. Yes. Degree mark. Okay. Doing 5 degree mark. Yeah, I do call these guys. They answered my question, was phenomenal. Alright, all the information I need to know. You guys still running? Hey, you're still running. First question is, do I even know what the fuck I'm doing with this dumbass camera? Okay, there we go. Now you're in line with my head. And that's uncomfortable. That's super uncomfortable. Why am I doing this? Right, because I said I would. Oh, okay, 5 degrees before TDC. Let's do this. Just stall it right at the first time. Well, at least myself first. I don't know what dumbass who put this thing in. Yeah, it looks clean, so I hope he knows what he's doing. I'm banking on he knows what he's doing. If not, it's going to cost me a lot. He better know what he's doing. Time work at 5. Yeah, 5 degrees before TDC. Okay, I'm there. I am right. Okay, now let's pull that up. Okay, you out of the way. You out of the way. Let's just move over to the other side. So I can see this more dead on. Okay, you're not going nowhere. Okay, so 5 degrees before TDC. Move you to the 12 o'clock position. I'm going to bring you in here. Gently. 12 o'clock position, you're about halfway. Just bring you in. Right there. Okay, seems like triple check by now, at least. At least. Okay, so you're in. Let's go into number 4. Let's go to number 1. Look right. Yeah, straight up and. I'm gonna doubt myself. When I can just do it again. Okay. That's about right, but use 12 o'clock. Bring you in. Nice and easy, nice and right. Okay, and where'd that bolt go? So hard I don't remember where I put that bolt. There I put it. It's staring me in the face this whole time. Okay. Right in the middle. How about it? Finger tight. Click. That looks right to me. Oh. But since we have this off, since I'm asking questions because I don't know answers, there's that little dot right there. Might be a marker. I'm gonna get that little red dot. Yeah. You guys been with me this long? Let's look at the timing chain. Let's look at that thing. Look at the quick. I might have it. Oh no, it wouldn't be for the No, because that's an 83. Well, then it's an 87, so that wouldn't match. That wouldn't match at all. Ah. 22R engine vacuum. Emissions. Yeah, no. Wrong thing. Damn it. Oh. Yeah, now it's here, what? Bugger. Huh? Rag? Should have got it. I have a rag here. Perfect. It's a clean spot. It's a clean spot. Okay, good enough. Plenty. Clean and wipe the lint away. Back the little dot. Little dot with some red. Yep, it does build up a little bit of red. Okay. I always say line up the top and the bottom sprocket with the shiny teeth. I don't have a great way of checking up the bottom one, because I don't feel like pulling this whole fucking thing apart. And here's my predicament, because I'm checking this thing out. So, up and around. There we go. So I have this thing, paint marker on it. There's a little red dot down there in the divot. So I'll go over this thing next time that thing moves around. Okay. Is that it? With the shiny one? Is that the shiny link? That looks like the shiny link to me, doesn't it? To me, that looks like the shiny one. It's hard to tell. So put a light right up against it. Darkish gray, bright, darkish gray. That's also bright, but bright, bright, bright. That looks like to me the shiny link. Yeah, but shiny link's not on that dot. So I'd be concerned. I can't tell if it's shiny link or not. So I keep going. I think that's the shiny link. Exhaust, finishing exhaust, and starting intake. finishing intake. Coming down, so where's that little bit? So now, here's where I get to. What he has, that little orange mark line up with that dot. That little orange mark on that link also looks like a shiny link. I'm having a hard time telling. Does that help make it look a little more shiny? Dark gray, dark gray, bright. Super bright. So it's got a paint marker on it. So the dot's on the shiny link. So as far as I'm concerned, I'm hoping he timed it right. Because to me, shiny link is on the dot. And, oh, let me get that to TDC. Let me get this all lined up. Boom, right on the money, right on the zero. Right on the zero on compression stroke. And then, right above this dot, just off to the left one tooth, boom, shiny link with paint marker on it, on the dot, number 1 cylinder compression stroke. So to me, that should be timed right. I'm hoping he really knows what he's doing. For how much of a headache this has been, I'm hoping. To me, that's timed right. Dark link, shiny link, paint marker, and the dot lined up, one up to the left on 00, number 1 compression stroke. And it went through with feeler gauges, and they're all good at 2 mil and 3 mil. Even when it wasn't hot, they were still doing good. So they're all set right. Ah, shit. Now I should put it back together and try and fire it up. Of course, that'll make it difficult. Alright, and you're on. Now, the seal's back in their original locations. Come on, just piss off Skeeter. This would be a really good day. I only see one mosquito. It's impressive. Or they're all just hanging out of my ass. Eating that alive. I haven't been able to do nothing about it. I'll give you a bet. Give you a bet. Give you a bet. Give you a bet. Yeah, you squish. You squished. You squished. And you squished. Good. Enough for me. Alright. There's that book. Right, you for you. Okay, click. Oh, look at you two. You stayed right where you're supposed to. Imagine that. You can click in there, you can go right here. Don't be that way. I do want to go around. If you were around, I just put it over the wrong way. Yeah, I do want to go around. Click. Bob. She's more relaxed. There we go. It's more relaxed. Good. Okay, you're back together. You are facing number 1. Depression stroke. Spin this thing around. Again. Look. Oh, there it is. Oh. Okay. do that. Check ignition. Check ignition. Oh, we gotta check ignition. Yeah. Good demo look. Should be good. Actually, it's not diesel, so don't worry about having to cover the front of it if it runs away on me. So I will put this on. Or else I wouldn't. Oh, you're right. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, listen, what are you? Clean your damn wings. Alright, well, whatever. You're not hurting nobody. I know there's fuel in there, put some in there. Fucking thing's a mess. Expect being a bush beater. Check on that level. Perfect. You are right full. You are perfect too. Alright. I'm supposed to not have that if this thing does fire up, it wants to be. Alright. Back. That should be enough fuel pressure. It's plugged in. We're neutral. On. And let's listen for this. Sounded better than last time. Maybe what the distributor was at a time on top of it all. Check ignition, check fuel pressure. Check electrical mass. Check back in electrical mass. Electrical mass is fine. I don't have a fuel pressure gauge. I don't have an electrical. Well, I need another person to do that. So I can't reach in here and shock myself with a screwdriver at the same time. Wish I could. Check fuel pressure. Need a gauge. Check electrical mass. I can do that. Check the next two. Okay. Well, shit. We are not done this rodeo yet. Fucker. Fuck it. Oh, no, I'm stealing this thing. It being disabled. And on a trailer. Let's take the whole truck. Oh, and trailer and everything along with it. Alright, let's grab some other tools. Oh, should take that off. I better for the battery might be drained. Good. Good. Oh, there it is. Okay, good. No, it's not going to do much good. No, wrong drawer. Yes, I want you. You little cheap ass thing. It's still recording.